Hello children, today we are going to study about latitude and longitude. These you can't see, but they are some of the imaginary lines. So let's understand each one of them. Latitude. So what are latitude children? Latitude are latitude lines are imaginary lines on the earth's surface, and they run from east and west around the globe, and it also tell you your distance from north or south of the equator. That means they are running from east to west on a globe. And longitudinal lines? Longitude lines are imaginary lines on the earth's surface that run from pole to pole around the globe and tell you your distance east or west of the prime meridian. Clear? Latitude from east to west and longitude from north to south. Now, lines of latitude and longitude help us to answer a geographical question. That is, where am I? Now, lines of latitude and longitude. You can see over here. These lines you can't see, but they are just imaginary lines. Alright children, parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitude. Latitude are always called parallels and longitude are always called meridians. Form an invisible grid. Here you can see an invisible grid over the earth's surface which help us to calculate the distance. Now see, the lines of latitude are horizontal lines. Always remember that latitudes are horizontal lines and longitude are vertical lines. Clear? Now equator. Now some of the facts of lines of latitude. First, equator is a 0-degree latitude line. You can see over here this red color line. It is a 0-degree line which is called equator. North of equator is called northern hemisphere and south of equator is called southern hemisphere. Alright, and these all are parallels of equator and these are called lines of latitude. Now significant lines of latitude: equator 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer 23.5, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south and North Pole and South Pole. These are some of the not. You can say these are the important lines of latitude. Now you can see over here equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, North Pole and South Pole. Now what is significant about equator? Equator is located at 0 degree. Its distance 40,075.16 kilometers long. It divides the earth into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. On the equator, the sun is directly overhead at 12 noon on the two equinoxes. That is, on 2 days, the sun is directly on the overhead. That is 21st June and 21st December. Locations: north of equator have latitude between 0 degree and 90 degree North Pole, and south 0 degree and 90 degree South Pole, that is South Pole. On the equator, the length of the day and night are equal every day of the year. That means in the equator, on the whole year, days are 12 hours long and nights are also 12 hours long. Now, Tropic of Cancer. It is an imaginary line of latitude circling the earth at approximately 23.5 degree north of the equator. Alright. It passes through more cities than Tropic of Capricorn. Some of the cities are Hawaii, portions of Central America, Northern America, and the Sahara Desert, and near Kolkata, India. These are the places through which Tropic of Cancer passes. Now, Tropic of Capricorn, it is also an imaginary line of latitude circling the equator at approximately 23.5 degrees south of the equator. It passes mainly through water but crosses through or is near places like Rio de Janeiro in Brazil and Madagascar and Australia. North Pole. North Pole, this is a no man's land. There is no land at North Pole. That is, the nearest land is 700 miles away. But it is covered in a thick layer of ice around 6 to 9 feet thick. South Pole, it is also a desert climate. Humidity is zero. However, high winds can cause the blowing of snowfall, and the accumulation of snow amounts to about 20 centimeters per year. North and South Poles. The North Pole is located at 90° north or at 90° angle from the equator, and the South Pole at 90° south or at 90° angle from the equator. Both are technically points but are considered as latitudes for geographical purpose. To find out the distances, these points are used. Now, facts about lines of longitude. They are also known as meridians of longitude. They follow from north to south. Alright. And lines of longitude measure distance east or west of prime meridian. This is the prime meridian. Red color, prime meridian. This is east and this is west. Now, lines of longitude intercept at North Pole and South Pole. Here and here. Lines of longitude are equal in length, and lines of longitude are halves of great circles. See, now important ones are the 0° line of longitude is called prime meridian and is also known as meridian of Greenwich. The prime meridian or meridian of Greenwich passes at Greenwich in England. To the east, the earth is divided from 0° to 180° east, and to the west of the earth is divided from 0° to 180° west. And the international dateline, it is a line of longitude located at about 180° east or west of prime meridian. It separates one calendar day from the next. That is why it is called international dateline. Thank you, children. So, you all must have understood about latitude and longitude, and this we are going to mark in our map. So, let's continue and mark them in the map which you all must have got. Thank you, children. Have a nice day and keep yourselves safe.